Welcome to Maths with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about extensive form games. So previously, we've been looking at normal form games where we had playoffs on in matrix form, right? So here, can we see what extensive form games are about? So, extensive form games represent situations where players make decisions sequentially. So the key word here is sequential. So decisions are made sequentially in extensive form games. So um the game the game is depicted as a tree with each node representing a decision point. Then we see that players' actions, payoffs, and the order of play are specified. So let's look at some key components. So first of all, we talk about the players. So of course, as usual, these are the individuals or entities making decisions. Okay. And then we have actions. These are more like the strategies they are taking, I believe. So these are choices available at each decision point. Then we have decision nodes. So these are actually points where players choose actions. And then we have terminal nodes. So here we have the outcomes of the game with corresponding payoffs. And lastly, we have information sets. So this indicates what a player knows at a decision node. All right, let's take an example to wrap it up. Mm, example. Imagine that we have a scenario where we have two players, A and B, and they need to decide, two players A and B actually decide to split $100. So player A chooses between splitting fairly, that's in that case you have $50 each, or unfairly. In that case, since player A is the one splitting, so player A gets $90. So $90 for A and $10 for B. Then if A if A chooses if A chooses unfairly, B can accept or reject the split. But if rejected, both get $0. So actually, all this can be represented in game trees and decision notes. So in the next video, I'll be delving into all of that. So that is the idea. So it's the whole thing is that you have sequential decision making process. That's what extensive form games are all about. So this scenario that has been painted here, we can expand on that as we as we look into game trees and decision notes. So because you don't want to miss something like that, you want to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. Comment to let me know if you want me to teach a topic or solve a problem, and like and share with others so that more people can have access to this great content. So like come your way again, play the games of life wisely. Bye.